Another video, and today we're gonna be making
Look at me, guys.
slime.
Yeah.
So this is just an easy way to make slime, and very simple. Very
We
simple.
are outside.
Just the two ingredients you need. This is how it's gonna look. Whatever color you have, green, yellow,
Blue.
orange, blue. We have blue. Dawn's-
Orange. No.
Yeah. So what you need?
Like blue.
And Dawn.
Kuchala.
¿Para qué?
Fly.
No. Okay, so guys, you need just Dawn and
Okay, let me
Dawn and just baking soda. Baking soda, and that's it. Just need those two ingredients to make slime.
I'm gonna start it.
We have this demonstrating cup right here. You guys can see the slime.
And look at this.
If you want it clear, I don't know how to do that. And if you want it to be less cheaper, you want it to be more expensive because you're that type of guy.
Nice line.
Luis, lo estás tirando.
Oh.
The guy or girl who
Line.
does that,
Line.
then just
This.
look at my friend's channel. His name is Kobe Labina.
You have this.
His how to make slime video. Stop, Mikey. The first thing, yeah, Luis. The first thing you need is baking soda
Line.
and just a cup. Or if you want it to be more easier for you, stop. Just use this cup for water, and you just put it, open it. Make sure there's no water. Oh shoot. I think. So guys, we'll be back once we dump it in here. So guys, we're back and we dumped some in here. Not that much though. And first thing you need,
Soap.
baking soda in a cup. You need to have a lid for it. I just looking for it right now. I don't know where it went. So if you guys want to know where I got this from, it's from TrueTV. It's a show, and I just found this kid making slime, and then all of a sudden he shaked it, and it went all over the place, like exploded or something like that. And
Oh yeah, guys, we have to play.
so you have to be careful.
Yeah,
once you
this.
make
And
this. Don't do it inside the house because it will ruin the house.
this is a house.
Okay, so I'll be back once I get the lid. So, oh, found it. Never mind. Never mind. So just shake it. Shake,
Shake
shake,
it.
shake.
Shake.
It depends how much you want. Put as much baking soda and Dawn in here. Luis, you're dropping it. Luis, eso tiene un hoyo. Aquí.
Oh.
So guys, you just need this. And it didn't come out that good. So I recommend you guys do it in a cup or something that's my brother's just making slime right now. I just taught him how to. Very messy. So what you need? Just go. Where's the?
I have one. Me.
Come here. You have to be in the camera. Hurry up. Go. No, you're mixing it like you're supposed to go like that. No, make it go all over the place. And if you want it to be slimier, just put water in it.
Shake it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, and I'm back of her. No him. I'm not gonna make another one when we wash our hands. I'm gonna make another one.
What? I don't know what he's saying, guys. But he said something about washing his hands.
Will we wash our hands? we're now gonna do another one. And we'll wash our hands.
So guys, let's go get water in this because this is just taking too long, and I wish I had a 360 cam right now. So right here. Holy shoot, I forgot it had a hole in it.
You put water?
No, do no. You already made it. So, guys, like right there. Yeah, we have experimenting glasses. We're gonna do that for the color run.
And watch out with his float. With float, guys. Guys, watch out with his float. Yeah.
For reals. Yeah, it might explode if you have it in a cup, so I recommend doing it in a cup better.
If you do it in the floor and the floor, it's washing my hand.
Yeah, this could also wash your hands even though it's not soap.
Yeah.
Even
Huh?
though it's not.
It's getting soap of us.
Yeah, it still creates bubbles if you're allergic to soap or anything. Do not try this experiment. Or baking soda. If you don't know, go recommend your doctor. If you're allergic.
And I'm gonna put this on mine.
Luis, you ready to have a slime off?
Shake it. Shake it. Shake it.
Ready? Okay, we have to do
Shake it.
what we have to do, okay, Luis? So what you do, here, have your cup.
Shake
I'm at my cup. So guys, ready?
Hey.
Experiment 9000. If I put this on my hand and
Oh my gosh, I have a lot.
that's what happens.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, let's see if it washes
squish it. Look, it can come
Oh
that
yeah,
way.
squish it. I don't know. If you want less soapy, put less Dawn in it and more water. Or if you want no soap, just put baking soda and water.
Guys, I'm gonna put
So guys, I'll be back once I wash my hands.
Yo voy a poner esto. Shake it. Shake it. Put this there. Do more.
No,
Yeah.
too much.
And I'm gonna put this. Ooh. Ooh, there. And I'm gonna shake it.
Put water in it. Put water in it.
No, I put this and I put this and I put stuff and I'll
Let's put
shake
water.
it. Yeah.
So guys, I'll come back.
Shake it. It's too much water. Let's shake it this.
Pero en la puerta del refri hay una gelatina. ¿La traes?
So guys, we're here. My brother's just making random things with this soap
I think
because we barely do this.
around.
And there's some old slime and
No,
Really?
I put this and I put this and I put that and I
that's cornstarch.
like this and
Guys, please experiment with it and
I want
leave what you left it.
Yeah.
Leave anything.
and don't make a
Comment
big
stuff.
mess.
Don't make a big mess.
This and the bubbles. You're the bubble. And guys,
So guys,
like this.
look at my hands. They're super bubbly and I think
And look
video has been awesome, and I think we should outro the video like this. So I'll see you guys back then, and bye, says Alien Master.